This is the Braava Jet M6, the only current robot mop in the iRobot range. As always, we will do a full review to test the performance in the real world, but for now we're just going to have a look and see what's inside the box. There are actually a few different mopping pads included. One is a reusable wet cloth, but there are also a couple of disposable wet cloths and a couple of dry disposable cloths also. The robot will actually recognize which type is attached, so it won't spray the water and cleaning solution if a dry pad is attached. I really love the design of the M6, it's very unique being a square shape. The wheels are also rubber and quite sticky. A lot of hybrid vacuum and mop combos tend to slip and slide if you add cleaning solution to the floor, but this is designed to be used with it. Of course, there is a dock with a charger and a pad for it to sit on. The water container sits on the top, underneath the silver cap. It's easy to remove and top up, so it's pretty convenient. You have everything you need in the box to keep you going for a few weeks at least, and by the time you do need to reorder any spare parts, you'll know exactly what you need. Our full-length video is coming shortly, so make sure to subscribe.